About Bengal, I think it was a British order that they will be separated.
They were separated.
They were separated.
1905.
हाँ नहीं, but Bangala की दिलजोई के बाद they were brought together. This is what I mean exactly. They were separated and turned into two Bengal. Partitions was held, as it is now nowadays. So Hazrat Masih Islam was told in 1905 that Bangala की दिलजोई की जाएगी. Something to soften the hearts of the Bengalis will be done. And then the British government changed the decision, and both Bengals were made into one Bengal. Later on, due to the partition, things happened, but at that time this Islam got fulfilled literally as well.